Can you imagine a boy ignored by teachers, mocked by classmates, and raised in poverty, becoming the man who changed the fate of a nation? This is not a fairy tale. This is the real story of Dr. Abdul Qadeer Khan. This is not a story of royal birth or easy success. This is the story of a boy who saw pain before hope. After the partition of 1947, Abdul Qadeer Khan arrived in a new country with nothing but loss behind him. No home, no security, no certainty, only survival. At school, he was quiet, often sitting at the back, wearing simple clothes and carrying big dreams. People mistook his silence for weakness. Teachers thought he was average. Classmates believed he would never rise above the crowd. But what no one saw was the fire burning inside him. Poverty did not break him. It forged him. Loneliness did not defeat him. It gave him focus. While others played, he read. While others slept, he studied. He understood one truth early. If you have no power, create it with knowledge. If the world calls you weak, prove them wrong with discipline. Many nights passed with hunger. Many days tested his patience, but he never quit. That relentless effort took him to Europe, into the world of advanced science, and eventually into history. And this was only the beginning, because soon he would choose his nation over his own success.